If you are watching this right now, you probably already know that I once traveled for 3 entire weeks with nothing but a 12-liter messenger bag. This bag, which is essentially a laptop bag. So that, of course, got me thinking. In September of 2020, I officially launched the Handbag Packing Masterclass. And it was so amazing that I knew we needed to do it again and again and again. So what is the Handbag Packing Masterclass? Well, over the course of 6 weeks, we'll be packing together as a class for a pretend trip in nothing more than a handbag. So whether you are someone who considers herself a pretty light packer, a mom who simply wants to have her hands free, or someone who has been stuffing their suitcase to the brim for life, there is something to be gained here. The Handbag Packing Masterclass will have you packing your lightest bag ever and feeling confident about it at the same time. Class starts soon, and I hope to see you there. Bye!